Welcome to session 1 of the lesson, The Story of Food. Food comes in various flavors and tastes, and we all have our own favorite food. Let's learn more about food. Following are pictures from Benu's and Rani's family. Observe them carefully and then answer questions. What kind of work are people doing in both the families? Let's look at Benu's family first. In the first picture, father is sweeping the floor, while mother is cooking food. In the second picture, all the members of the family are eating food together. In the third picture, Benu is cycling while her parents are seen relaxing reading the newspaper. Now let's look at Rani's family. In the first picture, mother is preparing food. In the second picture, Rani is serving food to her father and friend. In the last picture, Rani and her mother are doing work while Rani's father is enjoying the newspaper. What are the differences between the two families?
In the Benu's family, we see father is also participating in household activities, while in Rani's family, father is not doing any work. In the Benu's family, everybody sits together and eats. In Rani's family, it is only gents who are allowed to eat first. Ladies in the family are expected to serve the food and then eat. In Benu's family, everybody is relaxing after the food. In Rani's family, only father is relaxing while Rani and her mother are working.
Mr. Viz, why do these differences exist?
Well, certain families like Rani's follow old social practice, where women are expected to do all household work, serve food to other family members, and then eat in the end. Men are considered superior to women and men do not do any household activities. Many times women are left to do even outside work, while men enjoy. But there are other families like Benu's who consider both men and women as equally empowered. They do not differentiate between men and women in doing household activities. Work is shared between family members without any bias. As per the Indian Constitution, both men and women are equally empowered. We must stop all evil social practices where men are considered as superior and women are ill-treated. We must not discriminate women in any way. Let us talk about your family. Do all the people in your family eat together? If not, why?
Yes, usually all members of my family eat together. But when guests are there, it is necessary to serve. My mother serves the guests and eats in the end.
Who does not help in cooking food in the family and why?
My father does not know how to cook, but he helps by keeping the plates and water.
In the table, some of the work done in the house has been mentioned. Find out who does them in your house and who does them in your friend's house. You can add some other work also to the list.
Okay, this is an interesting exercise. Let me fill the entries for my house first. In my house, cooking is done by my mother. She also goes out to grocery shop and buys vegetables. We have a maid servant who comes to our house for sweeping. Cleaning is also done by a maid servant. Filling drinking water is done by my mother. I spoke to my friend Mischievous and inquired about the work done in their house. Here are the results. Even in his house, his mother cooks food. His father buys vegetables and grocery. His mother sweeps the house and keeps the house clean. He has an elder sister who helps in cleaning utensils. Every day he himself fills drinking water.
Well done. As you can see, each family is different in how they do household work. With this we have come to the end of session 1 of lesson, The Story of Food.